Yo, guys, Kevin Cesario, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Today I want to really explain to you this interesting investment opportunity, 862 and 872 Laine. It's got a fourplex and a single family home. Now, this property has a ton of potential and I want to explain to you why. I've heard a lot of investors talk about splitting the properties. If you were to do a lot split between the properties, having a single family home and a fourplex, you could have some advantages in your refinance. The single family home could be refinanced as an owner occupied, and the fourplex would qualify for 30-year fixed debt. It would no longer be a commercial loan. Now, another huge advantage with that is it gives you the ability to sell one of the properties and keep the other one. So if your idea was to renovate the single family home and potentially flip it or spec build it, you could do that while retaining the fourplex. Now, another huge advantage we have is these carport garages. Traditionally, when people think accessory dwelling units, they think ground up construction. That should cost about $300 to $350 in total build cost. Now, we find that when you convert an existing carport or garage, those costs are dramatically decreased, usually somewhere in the ballpark of $125 to $175 on an average of about $150. Now, the idea here is if you were to do the lot split and have a fourplex, you could get 30-year fixed debt and then do 2 ADUs, making it a 6-unit complex with a standard residential 30-year fixed loan. There's huge upside there on any value add, split, spec build, or long-term hold. And in terms of long-term appreciation, this property is very unique in one aspect as well. They all are independently water metered. So eventually, when someone wants to come along and put luxury condos right next to the aquarium with huge ocean views and make a beautiful development, this is a perfect opportunity. The water meters are here, the land is there, the ocean views are there. This is a great investment opportunity.